Na Rympei U Hynñiewtrep, paidbah, Bri U Hynñiewtrep.
Yes, Bah Adelbert.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Speaker. Through you, may I know from the Honourable Minister PWD, is there any landowner who is left out or not being consulted? Because in the last 3 or 4 days, it has come to my notice where there are certain individual landowners where they have complained that as per the new alignment of the road, in fact, their land does not come in the first alignment. It comes in the new alignment. And in the process, they have not been approached, and construction has started through their land without proper consultation.
Sir, there is no such cases happen, because I have already laid the statement. These are the names of the landowners which we have already identified, and not only identified, we sat down, consultation took place, and ultimately they are also in the same page for land compensation, and that's why only 2.5% land are yet to be handed over to the company for construction, but 97.5% land possession has been taken over, sir.
May I request the Honourable Minister, because this has come to my knowledge, in fact, in the last 3 days, some landowners had aired their grievances, and I request the PWD Minister to kindly look into this matter if it comes. Because as per the information that I received, they have lodged a complaint with NHIDCL with regards to this matter.
Yes, sir, the door is open. I'm there. I will see if any cases happens to be like that. I will take it up, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I may put a supplementary to our Honourable Chief Minister. Before putting this supplementary, I would like to remind that concern about the economy. As we talk about family affairs or state affairs, it depends upon the economy. So let me remind, money is the way to, money may lead to different way of destination, and also money may lead to different agony. Sir, supplementary, which are the states that are similar in size of territory and similar in size of population to Meghalaya in terms of GSDP, higher than 10 billion US dollars. Which are the states?
So I couldn't understand the question. Can you repeat that?
Which are the states that are similar in size of territory and similar in size of population to Meghalaya in terms with this, who achieved the GSDP higher than 10 billion US dollars?
Sir, I may not have the exact number, because he's asking about population as well as square kilometer of each of the states who are higher than us. So I may not have the exact figures, but I could give a comparison. So I may go wrong with the square kilometers. But similar states that are there, which could be compared possibly to Meghalaya, could be states like Nagaland, sir. They are currently at 1,45,535 in terms of the per capita, and they are, as I said, their GDP is higher than the state of, sorry, it's not higher, the per capita is higher, sir. In terms of the GDP, compared states could be Manipur, but there Manipur also, so as per the data of 2023, is at 40,000, we're at 46,000. States like Nagaland, which is at 37,000, so we are again at 46,000. So this is roughly, sir, the states which are comparatively in terms of at least the land and the population. So it's around the same figure, but as an overall size, sir, they are slightly lesser.
As per my knowledge, there are two states, Goa and Tripura. Anyway, combining with what you had already revealed in this August House, so I may proceed with the next supplementary, which state are similar in size to Meghalaya in terms of territory and population, have achieved GSDP higher than $10 billion simply by offering incentive for investment by outside investors, or is it because they focus plenty on manufacturing sector? May I get clarifications?
Sir, I can reply this in a very long way and a very short way, sir. I don't know how much time you will give me.
No, suppose if it's a long way, then
You have only one
you
more
will place in the table of the House.
Sir, it's not an information or data which I can place on the table of the House. The honourable member has asked about investments that have been made. Which of the states, as mentioned correctly by him, sir, that of course Goa has 89,000 and thing. But if you look at this size in terms of the overall area, square kilometers and all these things, it's comparable, but it's not exactly the same. Nonetheless, sir, my point here being that it's a very broad-ended question, not a question which I can answer in terms of one-line reply. It is more of a motion-based kind of a question he's asked. Sir, because investments that are made, every state and everything that we do when it comes to GDP, so there are multiple factors. So I can just give a rough idea so that the members can just roughly understand. So the overall GDP is calculated on the basis of the consumption that is done by the state, the investments that are made in the state, the government spending that is done by the government, and the net exports that are there in our state. So to answer the question, every factor affects GDP. It's not one line or one factor. Sorry.
Sorry, the time. Question hour is over.